more important is that Rainforest is back. The only thing that I can say is that we meet the target for this year. Yeah, things are getting better now, inshallah. We will definitely be looking into the Middle East areas, the Arab countries, because they love to come down to Kuala Lumpur. We will do our marketing also. The state is even looking into having its own airline, actually. We're still in the process of negotiating with one of the airline companies. Yeah. Singapore is one of our trading as well as tourism marketing area. Yeah.
You grew it. This is your home. This is your music. Thank you, Sarawak.
Hi, I'm Dewi here. So I've been here since day one and I really had fun. Congratulations, Sarawak. And I hope I can come next year again and meet you guys here. So see you next year, 2023. Bye.